Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. On the screen you see a map of the New Orleans and Baton Rouge areas, something you may already be familiar with. And if you are, you probably know that I-10 is the southernmost two-digit interstate highway in the United States that stretches from coast to coast and is the main east-west interstate running through New Orleans. You can see that pictured in orange here. But we have a bypass, something often considered to be an anomaly in the interstate highway system, and that is I-12, shown in blue on the map. I-12 completely bypasses everything from Baton Rouge through and including New Orleans, shortening the trip by about 22 miles. Over the next 4 videos, we'll be driving all 86.5 miles of I-12. Today we begin on I-10 at College Drive in Baton Rouge. From here you need to get over to the left if you want to take I-12, as the left-hand exit comes up pretty quickly. Today we'll be covering the first 20 miles of I-12. The first 8 miles of I-12 is within the city limits of Baton Rouge, and the first 9.5 miles are in East Baton Rouge Parish. Hammond is the control city for I-12 for roughly half of the length of the highway. Exits 2A and 2B connect I-12 with US Highway 61 Airline Highway. This is the first of 3 US highways that'll cross I-12. In 1993, the Louisiana State Legislature designated the entire length of I-12 as the Republic of West Florida Parkway. In 2003, signs identifying the highway's official name and bearing the flag of the Republic of West Florida were erected by the Louisiana Department of Transportation and Development in order to highlight the unique history of Louisiana's Florida parishes. Unlike most of the state, this region was not part of the 1803 Louisiana Purchase. These 8 parishes were part of the West Florida Republic through the 18th and early 19th centuries. I-12 is short for a mainline interstate and is comparable with the country's longest auxiliary interstates. It's one of the shortest mainline interstates to terminate at the same route at either end. I-12 is undergoing a widening, which will eventually convert it to 3 lanes in each direction from end to end. We'll see some active construction in the Mandeville area. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. At the Amite River, we enter Livingston Parish in the city of Denham Springs, which lies mostly to the north side of I-12. Denham Springs had an estimated population of 9,753 as of 2019. In the past, the area was also known as Amite Springs and Hill Springs. A William Denham purchased 640 acres of land in 1828, giving his name to the groundwater springs which come to the surface at the base of the low-lying ridge which runs through the center of the city. The springs were developed by local hotel owners, describing the so-called health-restoring properties of the spring water in a 1902 article on Denham Springs. A fine school, the Denham Springs Collegiate Institute, was founded by a group of residents in 1895. According to a graduate of the institute, the school was a good one, attracting boarders from miles around. Around 1908, the board of directors of the Denham Springs Collegiate Institute deeded the property to the public school system, resulting in the beginning of Denham Springs High School, now the parish's largest senior high school. Livingston Parish is one of the 8 Florida parishes with an estimated population of 140,789 as of 2019. It has become widely accepted that the name Livingston is an eponym honoring Edward Livingston, a prominent American in Louisiana, a jurist and statesman who assisted in the drafting of the Louisiana Civil Code of 1825. Livingston Parish is home to one of 2 installations for a gravitational wave observatory, which is a facility dedicated to the detection of cosmic gravitational waves and the harnessing of these waves for scientific research. During the 2016 Louisiana floods, Livingston Parish is one of the hardest hit areas. An official estimated that 75% of the homes in the parish were a total loss. We enter the city of Walker, which had an estimated population of 6,248 as of 2019. The area now known as Walker was founded by Michael Joseph Milton Jr. in 1825. The Milton family was a pioneering family from North Carolina who settled an area in Alabama before establishing their new community in the piney woods east of the Amite River in Denham Springs. The federal government recognized the growth of the settlement and opened a post office as Milton Oilfield in 1856. In 1890, the post office was renamed after Dr. William Elliott Walker, M.D., a legislator from nearby Springfield who had also served as a lieutenant colonel in the Confederate States of America. Walker became a city in 2011 by proclamation of then Louisiana Governor Bobby Jindal. We conclude today's video at exit 19, which leads to the unincorporated communities of Satsuma and Colyell via Livingston Parish Road 45. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.